guys, welcome back to Bruce Panther's Adventures. Today I've got a cool little package in the post from one of my favourite UK custom builders, and that is a name you'll probably be familiar with if you're in the sort of Harley Davidson Sportster scene, and that is Boneyard Garage. Oh yeah. You recognise this, surely. Look at this. I love this stuff. I mean, how convenient that... Oh, for God's sake. I mean, my wife thinks it's funny to come and creep in when I'm making a video and put me off. I said that's a take. You ruined my take. But, you know, it don't matter. Anyway, check this out. It's very convenient, as I was saying right now, that, you know, us bikers, we like wearing face masks, and we're in a time where everybody's wearing face masks, so we kind of got a head start because we got the cool face mask, and this is, look at that. I mean, that mixed with a cool helmet. That's cool, man. Boneyard Garage. Made in England, baby. Yeah, I love their stuff. So they were very kind. They sent me this little splash guard for my Sportster, for my 2006 883, which has got the old 1200 kit on it. But yeah, they sent me some cool stuff. I've got this little Boneyard Garage badge, little patch. So I'm going to sew that onto one of my cuts. I've got loads of cuts. I am a serial cut addict. I'm here to admit that I have too many cuts. I could have a cut for every single day of the week. That's how many cuts I've got. But this, look at this. This splash guard. Everything this dude over at Boneyard makes is quality. He makes side mounted number plate mounts. He made me my sissy bar on my bike, which I will show you. He makes, like I say, splash guards, chain guards, primary covers, I believe, handlebars. Pretty much, if you need it made, Ricky over at the Boneyard will be able to make it for you. It's funny because there's always usually the same recurring answer to many questions on forums. One of my favourite forums and kind of groups is the Sports of Sickness, because I've got a Sportster and it's a great group of people and lots of information on there. But everybody always asks, where can I get this? Where can I get that? The answer is always Boneyard Garage. That is always the answer, okay? There should be a post on the beginning of all of these forums saying, if you want a side mounted number plate, Boneyard. What if I need Boneyard? What? Shut your mouth, Boneyard. So Boneyard, basically. Look at that. It's like, it's even got like this cool little coin with their little skull, sort of crossbones logo on it. But yeah, it's just good stuff. Like, his stuff doesn't break. Like, you know, if you spend money on a cheap Chinese side number plate, it might look cool, it might fit okay, but I had a friend that had one. He's riding down the road and it just broke, came off, just snapped. No reason, apart from the fact it is shit, because they don't care about the quality of the products they're knocking out over there. So, I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, loads of stuff is made in China, and a lot of that stuff's probably okay, but a lot of it isn't made okay, and a lot of it's just... Don't put Chinese crap on your bike, okay? Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. But don't feel bad that you bought some Chinese shit, because we've all done it. I mean, this, I keep it as a reminder. This was a flush... That was a flush fit fuel cap. I put it on, and it stuck out like that. Even flush, it was like hanging out the tank. Like that much. Shit. Don't buy it. Literally, I bought it and it got out of the box and it was broken. Like, look, I mean, it kind of works, but it doesn't work at the same time. Chinese made eBay rubbish. It's not good. Don't buy it. Buy some cool stuff made in England or America. I don't know. Or Europe. Just don't buy this because it's bad. How long do you reckon it's going to take me to fit this? I mean, this is probably on the beard scale a very short, easy beard. Now, this is going to be easy. I reckon 5 minutes. I'll say 5 minutes. We'll do like a quickie, fast-forwardy video, and we'll see. I'm going to say 5 minutes. It's 2 bolts. But many times we have been wrong, and it takes a lot longer. But let's say 5 minutes. Did you see that? That was like 4 minutes, 40 seconds. That was pretty amazing. Maybe I should be a mechanic. I mean, come on. That was pretty amazing. Yeah? You get me? Huh? Yeah? See, check that out. Nice. Keep all that crap off your bike in style with Boneyard Garage. Yeah! And also, just to show you some other craftsmanship of the boys' Boneyard. Look at that. Now that was custom made for me. I forget the inches, but I didn't want to go too crazy high. But look at it. Just look at the quality and the sort of like workmanship on that. Beautiful welds. Solid as hell. Got this nice little kind of like crossbar, nice little kick at the end. I just said to Ricky from Boneyard, just kind of like do your thing. I told him the height I wanted it. I wanted it that sort of the right height, just so I could kind of got my kind of like king and queen style seat, and enough so I can actually get some luggage on there and sort of packs. And I pretty much travel everywhere with this on the bike. Yeah. Get on there, you shit. Got to have that kind of strapped on properly. But I pretty much travel everywhere with that attached to it. So yeah, it's cool. And it does the job and it looks funky and I like it. So check them out, Boneyard Garage. So yeah, if you need something made and you want something good quality, check out Boneyard Garage. You can find them on Instagram and they will be happy to help you. And they've got plenty of stuff and there's always cool new bits coming in. And also, they sell very cool t-shirts too. I haven't got a Boneyard t-shirt, but I want one. They're nice. Alright people, peace, take it easy, have fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.